To assign Google Assistant to the power button on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, you will need to open a settings on your smartphone. Navigate to the Google right here, and then in all services, select Search Assistant and Voice. Next thing you should do is go for Google Assistant, make sure that it's active, and actually right here what we need to do is go for Google Assistant, scroll down and find Assistant, digital assistants from Google. Make sure that Google Assistant is active. So now we have our Google Assistant active. Also, in general, we should make sure that our Google Assistant is on. And now when we have that set up, the next thing is to open a Galaxy store on our smartphone as well. And then in the search options, look for the app Good Lock. So it looks like this. We need to download it and then open it. Make sure to allow any permissions that will pop up throughout the screen, otherwise it won't work. So here in the Good Lock, we need to find plugin Register. And I have it downloaded, but it will be down somewhere. Just click on the download button next to the Register, and then we can hit it to open that plugin. Also allow any permissions. And select side key, press and hold action. Make sure that it's active, and then select access your Google Voice Assistant. So press and hold side key to execute this action. So now if I try to hold it, there's our Google Assistant, and that is basically everything.